Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we will attempt to find the HCF of the following numbers. So I will attempt to use both the prime factorization method and the short successive division method. So all I have to do, I do need to list down 225 as the prime factors. This one I try with 3 first. Will be equals to 3 power 2 times 5 power 2, 750. The prime factorization is 2 times 3 times 5 power 3. And the HCF is simply choosing the common one, the common factors, and the factors that has the lowest power. That is the method that we have discovered. So comparing 3 square and 3, I would choose 3 because 3 is 3 power 1. 5 power 2 and 5 power 3, I would choose 5 power 2. And therefore, I will get my HCF, which will be equals to 75. Using the short successive division method between 225 and 750, both cannot be divided by 2. I move on to the next smallest prime number, which will be 3, and that will give me this. And I realize I cannot divide by 3 anymore, and therefore I would then have to divide by 5, which is the next smallest prime number. This will give me 15. This will give me 15, and I can continue to divide by 5 to give me 3 and 10, and at this point I cannot divide by any more common prime factors, and therefore at this point I would stop. And so the HCF would then be 3 times 5 power 2, which will be 75. Same answer. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching the video and have a nice day.